You leave your porch light on to deter threats, but you are actually building an active biological slaughterhouse. We wire our homes with bright outdoor fixtures to banish shadows and push the terrifying unknowns away from us. Biologists call this the safety illusion because that single glowing orb does the exact opposite in the wild. A standard 60-watt bulb creates an ecological vacuum that pulls nocturnal insects from 300 feet away. Moths and beetles use moonlight to navigate in a straight line through a process called transverse orientation. Your artificial security light hijacks this ancient biological compass and forces them into a fatal, tight orbit. They cannot escape the gravitational pull of the fixture and spin violently around the glass until their wings break. Entomologists officially classify this endless, frantic death spiral as clinical phototaxis exhaustion syndrome. Thousands of exhausted insects pile up on your concrete and create a hyper-concentrated pile of pure protein. This massive, localized food drop fundamentally breaks the natural foraging rules of the surrounding ecosystem. Predators that usually spend hours hunting scattered prey in the deep woods suddenly detect this massive feast. Once countless insects are helplessly trapped in this orbit, what kind of hunters abandon the wild to feed here? Highly agile sit-and-wait predators immediately colonize your vinyl siding and claim the illuminated glass panes. The common house gecko, known scientifically as Hemidactylus frenatus, violently guards the space near the bulb. These reptiles exhibit extreme territorial aggression and will physically mutilate rivals to keep the prime spot. They gorge themselves on the dying insects falling from the hot glass until their reptilian stomachs visibly distend. Arachnids also exploit this exact phenomenon by anchoring their webs directly across the brightest light beams. The bridge spider, Lirynioides sclopitarius, specifically weaves its traps over illuminated windows to catch the swarm. Ecologists define this unnatural concentration of easy food as a highly disruptive artificial resource subsidy. It guarantees endless, effortless prey without the biological cost of actively stalking targets through the brush. Your front porch completely eliminates the concept of starvation for the agile assassins clinging to the walls. The sheer density of feeding geckos and spiders creates a secondary biological magnet right above the pavement. This wall-bound feeding frenzy inevitably draws the attention of much larger carnivores lurking on the ground. They refuse to enter the bright light, but patiently surround the absolute perimeter of the illumination zone. If agile hunters dominate the illuminated walls, what massive, aggressive predators gather in the pitch-black shadows? Heavy, venomous ground predators weaponize the exact line where your security light meets the absolute darkness. Biologists call this the penumbra, and it serves as the ultimate tactical camouflage for nocturnal ambush hunters. Large cane toads, known scientifically as Bufo marinus, abandon natural ponds to permanently sit under street lamps. They completely alter their dietary shifts to devour the exhausted beetles raining down from the glowing fixture. This behavior demonstrates edge effect hunting mechanics, where predators exploit the barrier between two habitats. The light creates a blinding wall for the prey, while the predators remain completely invisible in the black grass. Giant centipedes from the Scolopendridae family utilize this exact transitional shadow to hide their long bodies. They use highly sensitive tactile antennae to detect the vibrations of a fallen moth hiding in the deep shadows. These venomous arthropods launch lightning-fast strikes from the darkness to drag struggling prey back into the dirt. Your yard becomes a tiered execution zone, with distinct species claiming vertical territory based on their lethality. The spiders own the upper glass, while the toads and centipedes control the killing floor right below the light. This unnatural concentration of pure biological mass radiates scent markers and distress signals into the night wind. The intense accumulation of prey and mid-level hunters creates a cascading effect across the entire local food web. A brightly lit driveway essentially screams into the surrounding wilderness that an endless feast is available here. As this incredible density of ground hunters builds up, how does this mass attract true apex predators to your yard? Fast-flying mammalian predators learn to exploit the illuminated airspace to bypass their own visual limitations. The eastern redbat, scientifically termed Lasiurus borealis, specifically targets the halos around your floodlights. These nocturnal mammals achieve terrifying echolocation efficiency when their targets are funneled into a tight cone. They dive continuously through the blinding glare to rip the wings off massive moths that cannot see them coming. This completely destroys the concept of predator shielding, where insects usually hide in the vastness of the dark. Bright exterior bulbs strip away all natural defenses and serve the local insect population on a glowing platter. The chaotic noise of dying insects and feeding bats eventually triggers a phenomenon called avian sleep disruption. Diurnal birds like robins and mockingbirds wake up in the middle of the night and begin hunting under the street lamps. You have artificially manufactured an environment where daytime and nighttime predators feed in the exact same airspace. The dark skies directly above your driveway become a high-speed kill zone filled with diving wings and snapping teeth. Every single organism in this artificial arena is burning massive amounts of energy in a highly stressed state. They are trapped in a feedback loop of endless consumption that slowly drains the surrounding woods of vital life. The natural order relies on scattered resources, but your security bulb concentrates all the violence into one spot. This relentless drain creates a silent biological catastrophe, radiating outward from your illuminated front door. What happens when this hyper-concentrated predatory dynamic crashes the local ecosystem and mutates the natural world? Artificial light at night fundamentally changes predatory dynamics by manufacturing a terrifying ecological trap. Scientists classify this widespread environmental destruction under the clinical acronym artificial light at night. Evolutionary trap theory explains that animals instinctively follow ancient cues that now lead them to their doom. A glowing bulb mimics the ancient moon, but instead of guiding them to safety, it pulls them into a slaughterhouse. The hyper-dense feeding zone strips the neighboring wilderness of its resources and starves the deep forest habitats. Aggressive predators are drawn directly to your foundation, where they permanently mutate their core survival instincts. They lose the ability to hunt in the shadows and become entirely dependent on the artificial glow of human machinery. Your pursuit of perceived safety accidentally funds a ruthless biological war zone just inches from your bedroom window. There is a critical biological difference between warm amber light-emitting diodes and standard blue spectrum lights. Blue light scatters widely and intensely mimics daylight to completely shatter the circadian rhythms of local wildlife. Warm amber bulbs severely limit this magnetic pull and allow nocturnal animals to maintain their natural boundaries. You possess the immediate power to shut down this localized ecological collapse with the simple flick of a switch. Turning off the beam instantly dissolves the penumbra snipers and scatters the wall assassins back into the wild. You can restore the ancient balance of the dark by refusing to subsidize the frantic carnage happening on your porch. If you made it to the end of this investigation, you now understand the hidden biological warfare in your own backyard. Subscribe to this channel right now to uncover more terrifying natural secrets hidden just outside your locked doors. The next time you reach for that outdoor light switch, remember exactly what kind of monsters you are inviting to dinner.